Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm your host, and today we're diving into a fascinating topic in the world of cryptocurrency, wrapped tokens. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What on earth are wrapped tokens? Well, you're in for a treat. In the next few minutes, we'll break down what they are, why they matter, and how they can benefit you in the world of digital assets. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's ponder a key question. Why do we need wrapped tokens in the first place? What problem do they solve? Grab a seat, because the answer is quite interesting. Alright, so let's unpack this concept. Wrapped tokens are essentially a solution to the interoperability problem in the blockchain space. You see, different blockchains use different protocols and standards, making it tricky for tokens to communicate or be used across platforms. This is where wrapped tokens come into play. But what exactly is a wrapped token? In simple terms, a wrapped token is a representation of a cryptocurrency from one blockchain that is wrapped in a token on another blockchain. The most common example is wrapped Bitcoin, or WBTC, which represents Bitcoin on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, let's break it down with an example. Imagine you have some Bitcoin and you want to use it on a decentralized finance, or DeFi, platform that operates on Ethereum. Normally, that would be impossible because Bitcoin and Ethereum are not compatible. This is where WBTC comes in. To create WBTC, you'd send your Bitcoin to a custodian who locks it up, and in return, you receive an equivalent amount of WBTC on Ethereum. Each WBTC is backed 1:1 by Bitcoin. This means that for every WBTC in circulation, there is an actual Bitcoin safely stored away. This wrapping and unwrapping process allows you to use your Bitcoin in the Ethereum ecosystem, accessing various DeFi applications, trading platforms, and more, all while retaining the value of your original Bitcoin. It's a win-win situation. Now, let's talk some numbers. According to recent data, the total market cap of WBTC has grown significantly, reaching over $4 billion as of late 2023. This growth reflects not just the increasing popularity of DeFi, but also the demand for interoperability between blockchains. WBTC has become a critical player in liquidity pools, allowing users to trade, lend, and borrow with ease. But WBTC isn't the only wrapped token out there. Other notable examples include wrapped Ether and wrapped Litecoin. Each of these tokens serves a similar purpose, allowing users to leverage their assets across different blockchains. So, why should you care about wrapped tokens? Well, they expand the use cases for your assets. For example, if you're a Bitcoin holder, using WBTC gives you access to the thriving DeFi ecosystem on Ethereum, something you wouldn't be able to do with just Bitcoin alone. Let's also consider the security aspect. Wrapped tokens are typically managed by a custodian or a smart contract, which adds a layer of security. However, it's crucial to choose reputable platforms and custodians to ensure that your assets are safe. Now, you might be wondering, are there any downsides to using wrapped tokens? Well, like any financial tool, they come with risks. For instance, if the custodian goes offline or faces a security breach, there's potential for loss. Additionally, using wrapped tokens often involves transaction fees, which can add up over time. And, of course, there's the question of regulatory compliance. As governments worldwide begin to take a closer look at cryptocurrency, it's essential to stay informed about how wrapped tokens may be affected by future regulations. Now that we've covered the basics, let's talk about the future of wrapped tokens. With the rapid growth of DeFi and cross-chain solutions, we can expect to see even more innovations in this space. Projects like Polkadot and Cosmos are working towards creating seamless communication between different blockchains, which could further enhance the functionality of wrapped tokens. As technology evolves, wrapped tokens are likely to become an integral part of our digital asset ecosystem, making it easier than ever to utilize the full potential of our crypto holdings. To wrap up, wrap tokens are an exciting development in the world of cryptocurrency, allowing for greater interoperability and access to the diverse range of applications available across different blockchains. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, understanding wrap tokens can open new doors for your crypto journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more educational content on cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. And, as always, feel free to drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of crypto. See you soon!